Hi, my name is Luz, and then this is my presentation on gabapentin. So there are different names for gabapentin, and the generic names are Neurotin and Guaralis, and the chemical structure is shown right here. And the formula for gabapentin is C9H17NO2. So each part of these little sections right here is a carbon, and to that carbon is attached two hydrogens and that's where you get the C9 and the H17, and then you can see the N right here and the two O's. And then this is what the capsules look like and what they could look like in different packages. So the use for the drug, gabapentin is used to prevent or control epileptic seizures, and it is also used to treat nerve pain from shingles in adults or just nerve pain in general that can be caused from constantly doing the same motion over and over again or different diseases. Gabapentin is a neurotransmitter, which means that it blocks the nerves from sending pain signals to the brain, which then leads to the pain or the seizures to stop or lessen. And it is shown right here, which is how a normal axon acts, and then how gabapentin blocks those neurotransmitters. Some advantages of taking gabapentin is that it is very effective in the body and is not a non-addictive drug and can be prescribed for different diseases and illnesses. But some disadvantages are that gabapentin is still relatively new and not that much is known about it, as well as having a variety of side effects which can inhibit a person from handling heavy machinery or even driving, because it can cause drowsiness, tiredness, and weakness. And the severity of each side effect differs from person to person. And then something interesting that I found out about the drug was that when it was first discovered in 1970 in Japan, it was originally used as a muscle relaxer and antispasmodic medication, which stopped spasms and stomach pains.